In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge multiple Google Sheets into a single master sheet. We'll walk through a clear, reliable way to bring data from several spreadsheets into one place, using a free add-on inside Google Sheets. Before we begin, make sure you have the sheets you want to combine open, and then open the sheet where you want all the merged data to live. Keeping your headers consistent across source sheets will help the merge look clean and prevent mismatches. Start in your destination spreadsheet. At the top, click Extensions, then Add, Ons, and choose Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type SheetGo. Select the SheetGo add-on, install it, and follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. This lets the add-on connect to your Google Drive and manage data between your files. Installation only takes a moment. Once installed, return to the Extensions menu, open SheetGo, and click Start. A small window will appear on the right side of your screen. This is the control center for setting up your merge. Click Create Automation to begin building the workflow that will combine your files. Next, select your source files from Google Drive. Browse to each spreadsheet you want to include and add them to your selection. Take a second to confirm you are pulling from the correct files. If they share the same column structure, your results will be much easier to work with. When you are ready, click Next Step. Here, choose the Merge Data option. This tells SheetGo to stack the data from your selected files into a single dataset. Click Done to confirm your choice. Now click the Go to Destination button. Decide where the combined data should land. You can import data to the current sheet if you want it inside the file you already have open. Or you can create a new file if you prefer to keep the master separate. If you are importing to the current file, select the tab, give it a clear name, and choose the Write mode. Overwrite will replace existing data each time you run the merge, while Append adds new rows to the end. Pick the option that fits your workflow, then click Review Automation. Finally, click Finish and Run. The process may take a little time, especially if your files are large. When it completes, you'll see all the merged data in your chosen tab or file. Review the results, make sure everything looks aligned, and then click Finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.